Hey everybody, I'm here to present to you a build opportunity. What may not look like much, I personally think this is a solid foundation for a build. So it's a 1965 Ford F100 flare side. I haven't seen many flare sides body drop like this, so this is pretty exciting to me. I actually ended up buying this truck as a parts truck originally. I saw it as a cab and a bed and some parts in the back. I picked it up, digging all the parts out of the back. I found fenders, core support, a bumper, and it actually kind of matched. And I thought to myself, there might be something here. So I started looking around the truck some more, cleaned out the inside, and found the floor to be relatively good as well. And the overall of the truck, a lot of these trucks like to rust right here in this drip rail area, and the roof super solid. The only issue is it's got a doink here. I think it's kind of cool, gives us some character. I would leave it, but a good metal guy can get that out. They rust here, they rot around the windshield. Everything looks good there. Again, they rust right around the drip rail and cap corners. Pretty good. Got something going on over here, but I think overall it's really not that bad of a truck. Obviously it may not look like much, but when you're doing a big build where you're putting it on a chassis or changing the front and rear suspension, doing a motor swap, gutting the interior to put new interior in it, or doing tunnel work for, again, body drop vehicles, you're bringing it down to this stage anyway. So a lot of the heavy work's already been done and the fun stuff just begins. Again, that cup corner is pretty solid. Overall, floors are solid. Some parts and pieces, but it had a seat in it. We ripped it apart down in the bed frame, so perfect opportunity for a custom seat. The dash is really cool. I actually really love this color. I believe it's Arctic blue or archaic blue. I should know, right? But yeah. It didn't have any doors on it, unfortunately, but I did source some doors from a good friend of mine in Southern California. So these are really solid SoCal doors. Hoods are really hard to find. This is just a used hood that I found locally. So it's not the best, but it works really good, and it fits the truck actually. So again, some solid front components. 63 grille with a 63 matching upper valance. Again, aluminum grille, hard to get. 63, a little rare. And the valance is also hard to find. Straight and solid, chrome bumper, chrome patina bumper. Another door, SoCal door. I got these, like I said, these pair of doors. Again, I think it's just got a good look. And I didn't want to chop it up. Slick sides. I got a soft spot for slick sides. And I've never seen a flare side on the ground. I think it looks cool. I have a buddy of mine who has a GMC ad truck, and that's got a really cool bumper, very similar to this, very custom. Looks like someone just made it. I think it's got awesome, kind of like an extension and valance. Just it really ties it together instead of that boring straight slot that they come back there. So that on the ground, it all looks cool. It's kind of got like a wide body stance to it. I mean, again, I think it's got a good look, and I haven't seen it done. So I wanted to bring the vision to reality. So I cut all the components that weren't necessary, and I got this thing to lay, and this is the look that I'm thinking. Just got some random 14-inch steelies with some, I believe they're Fairlane hubcaps. Again, not 100%. This is all, there's no suspension on this thing. This is pretty much just a shell and a frame, what's left of a frame. Again, we cut the factory suspension out of it, and wheels are just loosely mocked up, and this is ready for pretty much whatever you want. We can do Coyote, we can do LS, we can do a Cummins, we can do Duramax, we can do big block. We can do whatever you want, really. Put it on a chassis, do a front kit, or just do a front half kit, back half kit. Really whatever you want. But I think this would be a really solid patina build, so I would like to sell this as a build. All right, well, that's about it. If you guys have any interest in this, please reach out to me and we'll talk. We'll talk about getting something set up. I know tons of chassis companies that are making chassis for these and kits for them, so honestly the possibilities are endless. It really just comes down to what you want. So anyway, there it is, 1965-ish F100 flare side. That about wraps it up. So hope you guys enjoy, and hopefully we can build this for you. See ya.